Mouse says. That's a hamster. Alright, guinea pig. It's a guinea pig.
There it is.
Those are puppies.
What's a fish say?
Wait for me. You know, my mom always said if you want something done
The
right,
bird?
waste the guy yourself. I'm paraphrasing, of course. You stay
You
here.
didn't tickle Reagan.
So don't run away.
Hi, Bacon.
Oh. Fish win.
Prancer, take it back.
Toes.
Prancer and Dancer and
Oh, she's gonna get your nose. You're gonna get your nose.
they look all real.
A horsey?
Almost looks like that restaurant.
So it's like the Rainforest Cafe.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. I think.
That's what it looks like.
Oops.
Give it back.
No, you have to share. Show him where it goes. It's gonna help you put him back in there. Oh, still.
Reagan. 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 Hi. Ray.
What are those coats?
Hi.
With the bank coats or
It's okay, Reagan. It's okay.
close to all the
Lake
stores.
is all broken down. I know. We don't know what. I think it's grass.
Grass.
Okay.
Scuba.
I didn't see it earlier, and I was like, yeah, it was there.
I think it was too fresh.
He got it. No, he got it at a softball game. Started getting one. And the only thing
Reagan.
then he got he had it a little bit last week, a little bit more, and then this week he got some more weekend. The only thing common would be grass.
Yeah.
So
He's not itching or anything.
he doesn't know. It's 6:35.
Why?
Oops,
No
fishy's
coach
gonna
coming
fall
in.
out.
Looks like cold water and quite bad. Relax.
Hi, Bacon.
What is
Now,
Hi,
thing I know.
Bacon.
Paul Mark, not a badass.
I think he is. He just blew up the
It's a Rainbow Cafe.
Sophia.
Rainforest.
Start putting those away because we gotta go take Jeremiah home.
Let's put him back in there. Oh, no. No shoes on him.